What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and as many of you probably know, Sony is one of my favorite headphone manufacturers. If you've seen previous videos of mine, gadget backpacks, whatever it may be, if I was carrying around a pair of headphones, chances are they were Sony. So I figured, why not show you guys some of the best Sony headphones out right now? And Sony was cool enough to sponsor today's video and send them all out so that I could show you. So if you're looking to pick up a new pair of headphones or you're looking to gift a pair to someone for the holidays, I'm gonna help point you guys in the right direction. So I'm just gonna come out the gate swinging with my favorite pair of headphones out right now. These guys, the Sony WH-1000X Mark IVs. These are the best pair of headphones I think you can get right now. At least the best active noise canceling Bluetooth headphones you can possibly pick up. Now I remember when the 1000X first came out, noise canceling was great. And over the years, Sony just kept improving it, became the best I think with the Mark IIIs. And with the Mark IVs, they just decided to push it even further. So you got the best active noise canceling. Now I know a lot of us aren't really traveling right now, but there's a lot of nice home use that you can get out of a pair of noise canceling headphones. I know me personally, I use these quite a bit at home to drown out some crying. Leave Ari to deal with it, but we won't talk too much about that. But these are really great regardless of how you use them. If you're looking to just drown out some sound, maybe you just want to focus on some studying, whatever it may be, the noise canceling on these are amazing. And let's say you're home and you really can't afford to have the noise canceling on. This thing has an ambient mode, so it can let sounds in. So if your wife is calling you to go get the baby or something, you'll be able to hear it. And this thing even has the ability to know what kind of situation you're in and how much active noise canceling or ambient sound you might need. It does some really, really smart stuff without you even needing to think about it. It's actually pretty amazing what Sony's done when it comes to the active noise canceling part of these headphones. It's insane. Not to mention, these are a just high quality pair of headphones. They are also extremely comfortable. Oh man, that active noise canceling is on right now. I didn't even realize. But they are extremely comfortable with these leather ear cups. So when you're putting them on your ears, they'll completely cover them, add no pressure to the actual ear. So you can wear these for hours without worrying about ear fatigue or just feeling like you need to take them off. They're super comfortable to wear. And even though these are over-the-ear headphones, they're not big headphones, so you can take them around with no problem. They fold up pretty easily. You can lay them flat. So if you want to throw these in your backpack or something, you can do that. They're foldable, so you can keep them like this, get them as compact as you like. They even come with like a travel case. So putting them away is pretty simple. So when you zip it all up, throw this in your backpack, whatever you want. It's pretty compact and it's just nice overall protection. And they also come in silver, but I'll be honest with you guys, they're more like an off-white. So if you pick them up, don't expect silver. Expect like a off-white, creamish kind of color. It still looks really, really good, but that's a bit more accurate. Now, something I like about these is that they look like a nice, classy pair of headphones. So when you have them on, they're pretty minimal, they're pretty low key, and you wouldn't realize that these have a ton of features. Now, they're Bluetooth headphones, right? So they're wireless, but you still want to control your music. What's nice is, like I said, they're a minimal design, so you don't see a bunch of buttons everywhere. You just have your power button over here and a button that you can customize with a couple of different features. Now, if you're wondering about the music controls, they're all controllable right here with this touchpad. And you can just swipe left to go forward with a song, swipe right to go back, control your volume by going up and down. Very simple controls, double tap to play and pause, answer calls, all that good stuff. You can do it all from this little touchpad. And that kind of brings me into the overall features. There's a ton of features. I don't know if we'll go through all of them in just this video. If you guys want to learn everything about these headphones, like the nitty gritty, I have a link down below to my full review where I talk about everything that this thing can do. But they do come with a companion app, and within this companion app, you have access to all of those features. So right now, you can see that it's connected to my phone, but it's also connected to my iMac Pro. So that means it can be connected to two devices at once, which was a major, major ask for the previous version of these, being able to go between two different devices without having to go through the whole pairing process again. It's very nice. But when you go into the next tab, you can control your sound settings. So there's all kinds of cool features like speak to chat, changing up the noise cancellation. You can do your equalizer to change the quality of the sound. You got things like 360 audio. Listen guys, there's a lot that these can do. Okay, so we've talked about like a bunch of stuff, but how do they sound, right? Do they sound good? Duh, of course. That's why we're talking about these. They sound amazing. They have amazing sound quality. Vocals are clear. Honestly, there's just not much that you could throw at this that they won't excel in. Because I can go from listening to something like rap and hip hop all the way to progressive rock without skipping a beat. It just sounds so good to just be able to listen to anything you want and have it sound awesome. Now these do retail for $350, so it's on the premium end, but you are absolutely getting your money's worth. Like, take my word for it, it is worth every dollar. But maybe you want to spend a little bit less. You're not looking for all these features. You just want something that sounds good, right? So now come take a look at these guys. These are the UrAvgXB900N. Now that XB, you guys know me, maybe, but you guys might know, I used to love the XB line. That's the extra bass line. Loved it. I recommended the XB950N1s and I think the prior models to those like crazy. You got, I know a lot of you guys bought them because of how much I recommended them, and you guys would always hit me up like, yo, I love these. So these are Sony's latest in the XB line. So they do have the very similar look to the 1000X. They got the nice soft ear cushions, but these ear cushions are actually, I feel like they're padded a bit differently. You can just take a look right here. They're a little bit different, but they feel great. So when you're hearing that music with that bass, you really feel those vibrations. It feels absolutely awesome. But you don't have to worry. A lot of times when we hear, oh, there's a lot of bass, we get a little worried that you won't be able to hear anything else. You'll definitely be able to hear your vocals and all that kind of stuff just fine. And if you ever feel the need to, you can use the Headphones Connect app to fine tune the sound. And of course, as you'd expect, these have active noise canceling. And let me tell you guys, when you're listening to some music with active noise canceling on, and you've got that extra bass going, it's like you're just in a whole new world. It's like a different space altogether. It is an awesome experience. Now, this is me talking to my bass lovers out there, you know. We love when we hear that extra thump, especially if you, Carl, you know, if we listening to a song with that bump, exactly, this is it right here. Now we're looking at a very minimal look over here as well with just that custom button, the power button, USB Type-C, headphone jack, and you of course have your touch controls right here on the right ear cup. So you control your volume and music and all that stuff, just like you do with the 1000X. It even has that quick attention feature where you can cover the ear cup and then you can hear what somebody's saying. If you're listening to music, it'll kind of pause everything and then you can have a conversation really quickly. So I like these a lot. These are the next evolution in the XB series. These go for $250. So it is absolutely worth it. When I just want to listen to some of my absolute favorites, this is the one that gets the job done. Not to mention they have 30 hours of battery life, so you can listen to these like forever without having to worry about charging them. Definitely good stuff. But those are like our over-ear headphones, right? What about something more compact? Well, let me show you guys these over here, and we got both colors right here on the table. The Sony WF-1000X Mark IIIs. So these are a pair of amazing Bluetooth earbuds. So these right here are some of, I think, the classiest looking in-ear buds that you can get, or truly wireless earbuds that you can get. These have a ton of features, just like the 1000X Mark IVs. So if you guys are interested in learning all about them, I'll have a full review down below as well for these. Because honestly, some of these headphones just have so, was I speaking loudly? Man, when these things are in your ears, you can't hear anything around you. It's awesome. But yes, these do have a ton of features. To make sure you don't miss any of them, check the video link down below. Trust me, it's worth it. To give you guys a quick summary though, These are awesome looking earbuds with a touch panel. They also have active noise canceling. So active noise canceling in the earbud form is a very different experience. It's actually really nice. And you don't need to have like a big pair of headphones on your ears to kind of drown everything out. They also have the ambient mode. So if you want to speak to somebody or you want to hear what's going on around you, maybe if you're going for like a jog or something, you still have access to those features as well, which is pretty dope. Now, what's great about these is, as you'd expect from a pair of Sony headphones, they sound awesome. Because when I see somebody walking around with these in their ear, I'm like, okay, that person did their research. They know what's out there, they know what's good, and these are definitely that. Now, if you aren't familiar with the whole truly wireless earbud world, when you throw these guys back inside of their travel case, they'll also get a charge. So you get about 6 hours of battery life with these, with active noise canceling on, and with the charging case, you get a total of 24 hours. And these are actually a really nice travel case. They look awesome, they look premium. They use USB Type-C to charge. And what's cool is that they have NFC built into them, so it'll make pairing it with your phone pretty easy if your phone supports it. Honestly, almost all of these have NFC built into them for a quick, easy pairing process. So when you're looking at the Sony earbuds, these are the cream of the crop, the best that they have to offer. This is why they have a similar naming scheme to the 1000X Mark IVs. They're just like the best Bluetooth earbuds that you can get right now from Sony. And they go for about 230 bucks, which is a bit premium, but these are a premium pair of earbuds and you won't walk away from these feeling like you're missing any features or quality. Everything that you need is inside of here. But let's say you don't want a premium pair of earbuds, right? Maybe you want something just a little bit less. You can check out these guys over here. These are the WF SP800N and the WF XB700. So the SP800N are a pair of truly wireless earbuds. They're actually both truly wireless earbuds. Now, what's awesome about the SP800N is if maybe you know somebody who is into sports, or maybe you're into sports, these are a great pair of earbuds because they can handle the sweat, the rain, whatever you throw at them. These are a bit more durable for someone who's living an active lifestyle. What's great is that these also come with these little wingtips so they can sit inside of your ear comfortably. So when you're doing your crazy activities, they'll stay right in place because they can hold onto the ear. And these are rated at IP55, which means sweat, rain. Honestly, you'll even be able to rinse these off if you need to. I wouldn't do that just because I don't technology, water, you know. But it definitely will be able to handle if you're sweating like crazy. Now, if you're that super active person, you spend a lot of time working out, these have up to 9 hours of battery life, I think if with the active noise canceling on, and I think 13 hours without. And with the charging case, you get an extra 9 hours with that active noise canceling on for 18 hours total, and 26 hours of battery life if you turn it off. Now, if you are looking for something a little bit less expensive, you do have the Sony XB700s. Now, these are a more standard pair of earbuds, and they're in that extra bass line, so you get that extra thump when you're listening to your music. And you guys can see how they fit here. They've got a pretty funky look to it, but they actually stay in the ear pretty easily for me, which is always a big deal. I have hard time keeping anything in my ears when it comes to earbuds, but these are not a problem. They got a nice secure fit. But these also have a 9-hour battery life, and with the charging case, you get an extra 9, so you're doubling it for 18 hours total. And of course, because they're Bluetooth earbuds, you know, they have built-in microphones, so you can take calls, that kind of deal. And these are actually pretty durable as well. They have an IPX4 rating. So if you really sweat with these or take them out in the rain for a run, you'll be fine. And you can pick these guys up for just 90 bucks. I believe you can even get them as low as 80 bucks from what I've seen online. And at that price, this is an easy recommendation. They come in multiple colors. So if you guys want to try them out, I'll have links to these as well as all the Sony headphones that we talked about down below in the description. And that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Now, I told you guys, Sony is my favorite manufacturer when it comes to headphones. They make amazing stuff, but just get that one. That one's really good. But all just excited, guys. Pick the one that works best for you. Hopefully this helped if you're looking for a good, trustworthy pair of headphones. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you're interested in seeing more shopping guides, this kind of video where I let you guys know which are the best products that you can get right now. Let me know with a comment down below. We actually have some gift guides coming up. It's that time of year, right? Expect to see those soon. But until next one, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.